going to show you not only the advantages, but the advantage you have at your age. If you're over 50 years old and you think that YouTube is not right for you, that you don't have the skills, I'm here to tell you, you're wrong. It is right for you. Most people our age think that YouTube is only for the young people, people that understand the technology. You don't need to know all that stuff to start a YouTube video. I started at 70 and I knew nothing. Well, I've invited Lori to join us today. Let's share with you our journey in starting a YouTube channel. Remember, I started at 70 and Lori was?
63 years old.
60. On a couple things in the backstory. I had gotten to the point where we were retired and we traveled and stuff, and I got to a point where I was getting really bored. There was something inside of me wanted to do something creative. Well, at the time, there was a big recession going on and people were out of work up north in the United States, and they lost their job, they lost their homes, they lost everything. And I heard stories about them actually living in a garage eating
dog food or, cat food like that. I don't feel so bad about that.
Says, okay, why don't we show people other countries where they can live on their Social Security? And so this is where we started. We were living in Mexico, we still are, and this was where we started. And so we started talking about Mexico, talked about the prices of Mexico, talked about how reasonable it was. We actually were living on $1,050 a month.
For two of us.
For two of us, for everything, when we came down. Now that price has changed. Do we have any knowledge? Well, and we figured out, well, maybe we do have something to share. So we started making Jerry Brown Travels. And, for the first 3 years, I was in front of the camera and Lori was using the iPhone to make the videos. And that's the thing, we started because we didn't want to put in a lot of money and stuff. We wanted to do it more as a hobby. And Lori told me, what did you tell me at that time?
Well, I tell you, you can do the YouTube, you can work on that, but not me, because I don't want to be the work.
So she says to me, is this going to turn into a business, a job? I said, no, this is just going to be fun. And that. We're going to help people. We really wanted to help people.
Then later he started to do more and more, and the people request more and more. And I said, don't start to be this work. This is a job. I'm retired. I don't want to do any work.
Eventually it did. It turned into what we have now. We then started giving more informational videos, like what does it cost us to live here, showing them rentals, showing different activities around here for expats. And that became our niche. But there was an ingredient missing in this. So after 3 years, I said, the videos just don't quite feel right to me. It seems like there's another dimension we could take it. Well, by this time, we had 12,000 subscribers. And we were just doing pretty good and everything. And then I thought, Lori, I says, instead of you being behind the camera, we're going to get a tripod and you're going to come in front of the camera and you're going to make a video with me. And in 2 months, our subscription doubled. We went up to 25,000 subscribers by having Lori in here. So that's why I say Lori is the star of Jerry Brown Travels.
I don't know about that. I didn't take any credit for that.
So that's how we started the YouTube channel. So then why I say start now is that when I started doing it and producing, I had no idea how to use we didn't know how to use the camera or anything like that. And then editing, oh man, editing. I was scared about editing. So then I went on YouTube and I looked at how to edit. And I practiced. I made a lot of mistakes. and the qualities were really poor. I mean, totally embarrassing when I look back on it. And I was so scared. I think every week, because we were making one a week, for a year when I started producing it, because I was comparing myself to something on YouTube that was quality, editing, quality equipment they were using. And I would call a friend of mine who was involved with YouTube, and I'd say, it's so bad. I'm so embarrassed. I mean, it's terrible what I'm doing. And he says, keep doing it. Don't give up. You'll get better. Keep doing it. And I kept being due diligence in doing it. Now, it is important when you're starting is you want to be consistent. 1 week or 1 video a week, that's fine. 2 videos a month, even that's fine. But you want to be consistent. You want to find a topic or something you have a lot of passion for. I really had a lot of passion that we wanted to help people. And that's my driving force. Even with these videos, I'm hopefully helping you, create and get into the joy that we receive. So what you want to do is you want to think about a niche, how you can start something. In our next video coming up, we're going to share some ideas on a niche, what type of a niche you can get into. Make some recommendations on a niche for you. Don't go out and buy expensive equipment or anything like that. We didn't, we still don't. And so we still have an iPhone. Keeping it simple really is, because it makes it a lot more fun for yours. If you really are serious about making it a living, just stay consistent, and your audience will grow with you. And that's the thing. You end up getting an audience that grows with rewarding. To be honest with you, it is rewarding. It's satisfying because we know we're helping people. We do have a phone consultation. And if you're interested in contacting me, at the end of each video, there's a little box that comes up in about the last 15 seconds. And it'll show a picture of me. You can hit that and subscribe. And the other side, a little box that says book now. If you touch on that, it'll send you over to a booking site. And I know I can help you create more videos faster, give you more views, give you more subscribers, and give you the tips that we've learned over 10 years and 48,000 subscribers.
Hey, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe and make a thumb up and make a comment. And then that encourage to me to come into the video.
Also, every other Saturday at 10 p.m. California time, there's a new free video.
It's free!
These bloopers here, I had a 30-second intro, but actually it took me 10 minutes to do it with all the retakes. In this video, I'm going to show you that it's a great time to look. In this video, I'm going to show you why now is an adequate. Actually, in its advantage if you're over 50. Actually, it's an advantage if you're over 50. I was 70 when we started our YouTube. So you would like to book an appointment. See on the left, there's a little box that pops up, says book. Touch on it and it'll send you over to a booking site. And on the right-hand side, you see my picture? If you just touch on it, click on it, you'll be subscribed absolutely free. And we have over 1,000 videos that can help you out. And it definitely helps us by you subscribing, helps our algorithms and helps us advance this channel. Thank you.